Hi guys, gusto ko lang i-video itong araw na to. This is the the most life-changing part of my life. Nasa work ako actually. I'm working from home and working ako ngayon, pero na-receive ko yung email result ng aking biopsy. Just to give you a brief background, I've been having this issue with my left breast since November last year, 2023. And after several tests, after a few months, it finally turned out to be a cancer. Hindi ako maiyak. Ang dami ko na kasing iniyak ng mga previous months, weeks. Sobrang anxious and depressed ako. Halos hindi ako makagalaw. Lahat ng interests ko, kinalimutan ko. Wala akong kagana-gana sa buhay. Now that I finally got the result, I don't know what to feel anymore. Syempre natatakot, nakabahan, malungkot. Syempre, isipin mo of all the things that could be triggering my anxiety and depression, bakit ganito naman kalala, di ba? And bakit nangyari sa akin to? Wala naman kaming history, family background of cancer. I've been doing my best to keep myself healthy. During the previous years, I've been working out and perspiring a lot. Nag-stop lang since nitong few months ago na nagkaroon nga ako ng kakaibang pakiramdam dito sa left breast ko. Ayun lang. Gusto ko lang i-video itong araw na to. At i-update siguro kayo sa progress ng case ko. So, just to let you know, I am diagnosed with invasive ductal carcinoma, and according sa biopsy results, it's Nottingham histologic grade 3. Bukas kakausapin ko pa yung general surgeon na nag-opera sa akin para malaman ko kung anong mga next steps na kailangan kong gawin. Nag-research na ako konti based dun sa diagnosis. Parang they will recommend na mag-undergo ako ng chemotherapy. Sakit ng mayaman to guys. Hindi tayo mayaman. Sangkahig santo ka. No work, no pay. So, hindi ko alam. Siguro, pahingi na lang ng prayers nyo sa mga kaibigan ko, mga relatives and family members. Prayers lang. Sapat na. Thank you.